and then the person he's running against suddenly comes out and says, your husband has a girl problem? Like, that's a direct attack at her, too, because she married him, and I bet she would disagree with that. So, I'm not saying she's going to fire back, because typically spouses don't... Before more buyers get priced out of the market. Now more than ever, you need an experienced real estate agent that can bring you a smart strategy to generate multiple offers from the right buyers to net you the most money. I'm talking about Nate Laughlin and Harrison Wolfington at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. More people from Bangor, Brunswick trust Nate and Harrison than any other realtor in town. Now, anyone can give you a home evaluation. Find out how much demand your home can command right now. Put the most experience and the best marketing to work for you. Call Nate and Harrison. Go online, check them out. LaughlinWolfingtonRealty.com. That's LaughlinWolfingtonRealty.com. Trenton, Flooring Furniture, where your dollar buys a whole lot more. The holiday season is upon us, and Trenton Flooring and Furniture has great deals on great-looking furniture to make your home more enjoyable for the holiday season and beyond. Like 5-piece hardwood dining room sets starting at just $4.99. Recliners for just $2.99. Reclining sofas just $6.99. Stationary sofas that were $9.99, now just $6.99. And for your bedroom, we have select bedroom sets as much as 50% off original pricing. Trenton Flooring and Furniture even has 15% off our most popular line of mattresses. Plus, don't forget the accent items like area rugs, accent chairs, coffee tables, end tables, TV stands, and much more. So come to Trenton Flooring and Furniture and buy yourself the furniture and mattresses you really want this year. And let Trenton Flooring and Furniture deliver it and set it up for free. Trenton Flooring and Furniture, Route 3, Trenton. Greetings, friends. I said greetings, friends. Now, you don't know me, but you sure do know my pa. You remember Colonel Quicksilver, right? Well, those fools he scammed, purchased valuables from in a fair and equitable manner, ran him out of town. Now I'm making it my job to carry on his mission to put Will Durant and Capital City Coins out of business. I'm just going to set up a shop a few towns over and name my store Capital Coins. Folks will think they're taking their gold and silver to Capital City Coins, but will accidentally come to me. I don't know why Pa never thought of this. Everyone will know it was Quicksilver Jr. who finally put an end to Capital City Coins.
Don't be fooled. There's only one Capital City Coins. Will Durant and the team at Capital City Coins in downtown Augusta have decades of expertise. They'll give you the best price when it's time to sell, and they have the best inventory of U.S. mint coins for silver. That's Capital City Coins, 231 Water Street in downtown Augusta. Call 623-5222 and find them on Facebook.
Attention, main families. Your child was awarded the $500 outline grant. Now isn't great time to think about how you can invest in the future. You can get started with NextGen 529 account, named education savings plan that many families use to invest for college and trade school expenses. The good just adds up. Learn more at nextgenforme.com. To learn more about NextGen 529's investment objectives, risks, and costs, read the program description at nextgenforme.com. Investing involves risk, including loss of principal. Take control of your home energy costs with insulation rebates from Efficiency Maine. Income-eligible homeowners qualify for rebates of up to $8,000. Act now and say goodbye to roof raking, ice dams, frozen pipes, and unpredictable energy bills. For more details and to find an insulation professional today, visit efficiencymaine.com or call 866-376-2463. Warm up your vehicle from the comfort of your home or office with a remote starter from Sound Shapers and Brewer, and you'll never drive off in a freezing cold ride again. Priced from just $389 installed with remote ranges up to 3 miles, or even use your smartphone to start your car from anywhere. Remote starters priced from just $389 installed. Visit Sound Shapers in Brewer and online at soundshapers.net. Sound Shapers, your car audio and remote starter specialist.
Highways filled with communities themselves. Recently, the highways filled with devastators and more to people believes it can only mean that it's falling there. The law not only brings a change in colors, but also brings a side of a new for home with the new 2024 models arriving daily. Barney Value means you'll always find your best price at Barney Ford. And the first 6 months is always free. Come down that way, put on your best clothes on his hat, and come to see us at Barney Ford and we'll show pros report. It all also brings us school buses, so please slow down and keep it good stuff.
The Clay Travis and Mark Sexton Show on the Voice of Maine is brought to you locally by Purposes Trainers and Mark Herman.
Welcome back in, Team Harry, lining up the line. Yeah, I knew it. I mean, she's got something like 12 or 15% support down from before. I think if you add her and Lon together, you're getting pretty close to 30%. So, she's got supporters out there. Someone that called in. We asked for you, Haley, to call and make your case for Nikki Haley for president, and you did. So, Keith in Pennsylvania, you're first up. What do you got first?
Hello. I don't feel that Trump can win.
Okay.
I've had lifelong Republicans say to me they will not vote for him. And, you know, if you have to get, to win the presidency, you have to get every Republican, and you have to get some independents to vote. You know, so he can't do it. And I feel Nikki Haley, not only being a Republican, but one. And I think we could pick up a couple million votes just for being the first one.
So, Keith, you think it's about electability, effectively, right? It's not even that you're that impressed with Haley as a candidate. You just think she's better in general than Trump is against the Democrats.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you for calling. Let's play. I know the Trump supporters and Trump supporters obviously wanting to now, you disagree. But there was that. There have been some polls indicate that in a general, nothing shows her even focused on, for example, a primary, but in a general election, she wipes the floor with the Democrat.
Yes, and I think part of that is she's undefined in a negative way.
But they have not run the machine against her, which is very important to.
I do think if you believe that abortion is going to be a big issue that motivates Democrat turnout in 2024, and I do think it will be, then I can see the argument for Nikki Haley is harder to condemn as a pro-life zealot who will send shock troops to your house if your 15-year-old daughter gets pregnant. That's not going to fly, I think, against Nikki Haley, and also you would have the generational benefit for her. That's the arguments I would make if I were a Nikki Haley supporter. Hank in Maryland also wants to weigh in. He's a Nikki Haley supporter. My man Hank.
Going once.
Going once. I think we lost Hank there. Who else was there? Stephen in Pennsylvania wanted to weigh in too.
Yeah, I like Nikki Haley. I think she's got a lot of backbone. I don't think it's her time for being president. I think she would be a really good vice president.
Do you think that's her play here, really? Do you think that's what she's... Yeah, he's a Trump supporter, but do you think that she's trying to angle for vice president?
No, I think she wants to be president, but I think she could be president next time.
Okay, Steve, thanks for calling in. They play... I will say she hasn't... Has she really gone after Trump in a big way? I haven't seen her go after Trump in a way that would make me think that Trump really bring her back into the fold, so to speak, down the line. Has she? She hasn't. Like, Ron DeSantis, I would say, has burned the boat and made it clear that he's not a Trump guy. He said that Trump had basically not fulfilled promises and Northern faithful to it. But he has said that. Yes, Chris Christie has certainly burned the boats, right? Nikki Haley, I would say, is more on the Tim Scott side than she is the Ron DeSantis or Chris Christie. So, fun fact, the burn the boats comes from Hernán Cortez and the invasion of the Aztec Empire. Not in the nowhere. That's generally he burned the ships so that the men can leave. I believe historians now think they actually scuttled the ships, but then 11 became that they were burned. But that they just sort of sunk them instead of trying to burn them. But I was thinking about this also, because you mentioned some of those things. I mean, I've been writing in about my opinion that Hannibal was one of the 5 greatest generals of all time. I also mentioned Napoleon, and someone wrote in Genghis Khan. And I'm like, there's some strong feelings out there about most impressive military commander. In the case of the Khanate and Genghis Khan in particular, you're talking about, mass destruction of not just armies, but civilians on a scale that had never been seen before in human history. So that's a tough one. But incredible military machine of the Mongol War. Genghis Khan, there's some insane percentage